Oh, gusto mo teens pa? Si Ray, oo. Yan, so, ayan lang. So, alam mo naman, di ba, I don't like mga spotlight na wala sa lugar. So, sa akin, basta I told my son, basta you just do your job well, you do your work well, and your work will speak for you. And, well, my son's an artist. He's just really quiet kung pwedeng dyan lang siya sa house. Ganun naman sila eh. Parang kung hindi naman sila kailangan lumabas at mag-promote. Hindi naman talaga sila, So, wala, I just trust na tama yung pagpalaki ko sa close naman kami, close, di ba?
Ito naman si Arkin, kumusta naman siya? Nag-enjoy naman niya.
Oo. It's actually his first time na I guess in drama, maging full length. Kasi before, he used to play the young Ding Dong, and then he played the young Frank. Twice siya nag-young Ding Dong, then once kay Frank, young Frank siya. Tapos, I think in the movie of Elmo, he'll be the young Elmo, parang ganon. So, and usually Party Pilipinas yan ang ginagawa niya, pero he's really, nakikita mo na he's also an actor man, he enjoys it really, and he actually likes more challenging roles. Kaya lang GMA says parang
Masyado pang bata.
no, it's parang, yeah, he really likes it. He wants to do like the really, offbeat ba yung tawag doon? Nung panahon natin, offbeat ang tawag doon, di ba? Oo.
On the bad side.
Yeah, yes, like really challenging. Oo, kasi I think competitive sila sa isa't isa rin, silang magkakapatid, di ba? Pero in a very professional way. I like it kasi sila pag nag-uusap sila. And so, ayun, gusto niya sana magkaganon, pero sabi ng GMA, wag daw muna kasi baka hindi bagay sa name na dinadala rin niya. Pero I hope sometime, baka sa indie ganon, pwede. Kasi
Open ka sa ganon.
Yeah,
kasi siya may gusto.
Yeah, because there was this role that they were gonna put him in that's just really black, not even gray. It was really black, and then like, ako, okay lang, me, I let them decide din kasi kung anong interest nila. So, he wanted that, they were kind of disappointed sila ni Elmo kasi akala nila gagawin na ni Arkin yung So yun, tapos hindi daw muna. Movie yun eh.
Movie, okay.
Yeah.
Pero paano yung pag-aaral ni Arkin?
He goes to school, of course. Put that there, ha? Yung mga masyadong madudunong dyang tao na nag-a-accuse sa akin na hindi nag-aaral. Of course not, di ba? Yun. Kasi it's hard. I don't blame them. Kasi kung hindi naman nila kami kilala masyado. But they should know na lahat naman nagtapos